How to fix Pokémon GO app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are wondering how you can fix Pokémon GO application, it is quick and simple. Firstly, you can check out your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps. Tap on all apps. Click on the search icon to search for Pokémon GO. Then click on the Force Stop button. Head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will help to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. While you are in your phone settings, scroll down and check out System Update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the app. If not, tap Open your Play Store or App Store. At the top in the search bar, search for Pokémon GO. If there is any available update for the app, leave your application for an update. If not, the last resort is to uninstall and reinstall it later. Please note that if your application is undergoing an update, you won't be able to launch your application. In that case, just wait for a couple of minutes and try again. And it's the wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.